Hello, Miss Beery's class. It is Thursday and it's time for math. We are going to be working on lesson 1.8 today in our Go Math book. You'll also need a pencil and you'll need some crayons. And we're going to look at our paper today. Our question today is, how do you know the order of numbers in the same as the set of objects that is one larger? So what we're going to use today is we're going to use these 10 towers. Now they're called a 10 tower because there are 10 cubes. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we can take these apart and we can make lots of different numbers with them. So what we're going to do is we are going to look at our cubes. And I know you don't have any cubes at home, but what you can do is you can just practice drawing a square, or if you can also do circles. Okay? So Miss Beery will trace around these cubes, but you don't need to because you don't have them at home. So they come in lots of different colors. I have some green ones here too. So the first one I'm going to just set on my paper, and I'm going to trace around it to show one. And actually, I think I'm going to just draw them, but I'll show you the cubes. And then here I have 2. So now I'm going to draw 2 squares to show for 2 cubes. And you can see that the 2 cubes here is bigger than the 1 cube. Going to add another one. Here's 3 cubes. So now I need to draw 1, 2, 3. So I have 1, 2, 3 cubes. Got to add another one. So now we have 4 cubes. I need to make it 1 square taller. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have one more green cube to use. We'll make a 5 tower. So now this one needs to be the tallest. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like that. Okay? And if you'd like to color these cubes, you may, okay? So you can pause the video and then give them some coloring to make them look nice. I'm going to open up the next page. And we're going to do the same thing, but instead of having the towers like buildings up this way, we're going to turn them on their side and do the same thing. So I'm going to put my towers down and I'm just going to draw them just like you would. And for this one, I'm going to use my black crayon so you can see it even better. So I have 1 cube and trace the number 1. Okay, and we're going to count the cube, or we're going to make the cubes and write the number. So the next one, we'll have one more than 1. So we have 1, 2. And I'm going to even add those little details in the cube so you know it's a 2. And then write, or know it's cubes. And then go ahead and write the 2. You're going to curve it around and slide to the right. Now the next one's going to be 3. 1, 2, 3. Curve it around and around again. So you can see it's one more cube than the last one. Okay, next is 4. So 1 cube, 2 cubes, 3 cubes, 4 cubes. Down, slide to the right, cut it in 2. Okay, the last one is 5. I'm going to 1 square, 2 squares, 3 squares, 4 squares, 5 squares. I'm going to add those little details in there so we know they're cubes. Add in the ones for the 4 that I forgot, and write the 5 next. Ready? Down, curve it around, give it a hat. Okay, boys and girls, and now what you can do is you can make each of these different colors if you'd like. But what I'll have you do is pause the video and you can come back and have it all colored. Okay, last page. So now we're looking at these, but these are objects, okay? So we already use the towers this way, we use the towers this way, and now we have some school supplies, and Miss Beery loves school supplies. So let's look. How many pink notebooks? 1. So you're going to write straight line down for a 1. Okay, we got some blue scissors. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 blue scissors. Slide down, slide to the right, cut it in 2. we have how many books? Let's count. 1, 2 books. Curve it around, slide to the right. I wonder how many pink erasers. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slide down, curve it around, give it a hat. And the last one is these pencil boxes. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Curve it around and around again. Now, these numbers are not in order. So we need to write these numbers in order, okay? So we need to write 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then what you can do is you can pause the video, make sure your paper looks just like Miss Beery's, and then you can play it for the last page where I'm going to just go over the extras you can do today. Okay, so our extra pages are 58, 59, and 60. So on the back here, you can look at these 2 examples that you can do, and you can also do the homework, but you don't have to. We did the first 3 pages together, and that's all I expect you to get done today. However, if you have a little bit more time, or if you want to add some more math fun, then you can do 58, 59, and 60. Okay, you have a great day. I will see you tomorrow for Friday's math lesson. Bye, friends.